friends, welcome. I'm Buddy Wagner, your mental health professor. Do you suffer from stress? Of course, all of us experience stress in our lives, but are you overly stressed? Is it a problem for you? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, I want to share with you 2 powerful strategies for minimizing stress in your life. The first exercise is a progressive relaxation exercise. So let me lead you through it. You may do it as I talk and lead you through it. Close your eyes and begin to take some deep breaths. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out all the stress and the tension. Breathe in deeply, relaxing as you breathe in, letting go of all the stress and tension as you breathe out. And then once you get into a rhythm of deep breathing, focus your attention on your feet. Tense the muscles in your feet and relax them. Tense the muscles in your feet and relax them. And then move up to your calves. Tense the muscles in your calves. Release it. Tense the muscles in your calves. Relax it. And then move up to your thighs. Tense your thighs. Relax your thighs. Tense your thighs. Relax your thighs. And then move up to your buttocks. Tense your buttocks. Relax your buttocks. Tense your buttocks. Relax your buttocks. And then move up to your stomach. Tense your stomach. Relax your stomach. Tense your stomach. Relax your stomach. And then up to your chest. Tense your chest. Relax your chest. Tense your chest. Relax your chest. And then to your shoulders. Tense your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Tense your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. And then move up to your mouth. Tense your mouth, your lips. Relax your mouth. Tense your mouth. Relax your mouth. And then your eyes. Tense your eyes. Relax your eyes. Tense your eyes. Relax your eyes. And then your forehead. Tense your forehead. Relax your forehead. Tense your forehead. Relax your forehead. And then down into your arms. Tense your upper arms. Relax your upper arms. Tense your upper arms. Relax your upper arms. And then your lower arms. Tense your lower arms. Relax your lower arms. Tense your lower arms. Relax your lower arms. And then your hands. Tense your hands. Make them into tight fists. Relax your hands. Tense your hands. Relax your hands. And now go throughout your body, scanning your body and noticing if there's any muscle tension anywhere. And if so, go back to that set of muscles or that muscle and tense the muscle and relax it. Tense the muscle and relax it. And now your body is completely relaxed. And as it's completely relaxed, and as you've gone through your body and you've made sure that every pair of muscles, every set of muscles is relaxed, visualize in your mind what it looks like, what you look like to be totally relaxed. And then notice what it feels like to be totally relaxed. And then visualize how your body moves totally relaxed. And once again, go back through your body, scanning every muscle. And if there's any tension anywhere, tense that muscle and then relax it. Tense that muscle and then relax it. And then when you're ready, you may open your eyes. The second strategy is a mindfulness strategy. And so again, focus on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. You may close your eyes if you would like. Inhale, exhale. Getting into a rhythm of breathing. And then when you get into that rhythm, notice the stress in your body. Notice where it's located. Notice how intense it is, how it feels, and just pay attention to the stress. You're not trying to change it or get rid of it. You're just studying it, just paying attention to it. And as you pay attention to it, if your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently bring it back and focus your attention on that stress and where it's located in your body. And continue to focus your attention on that stress until it begins to change in some way. It may move to a different location in your body. It may become more intense or less intense, but just pay attention to the changes that take place and keep focusing your attention on that stress and what's happening to it, what changes are happening. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently bring it back, focusing your attention on the stress, and continue to do this until your stress is totally gone. And when that stress is totally gone, you can open your eyes. I hope this has been helpful for you. If so, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you know someone who could use these exercises, please share this with them. I'm Buddy Wagner, your mental health professor, wishing you the best of mental health.